So how to make app icon black and white? First of all, make sure you are updating your iPhone with latest ISO 18. This is my ISO 18. If you don't know how to install, then you can check my description. And now press and hold, then you can see my icon is shaking. Press on edit, then press on customize, then you can see this kind of interface in latest ISO 18. Then your icon will be black and white. Look. And if you want to remove it, press on again and go to customize and press on automatic, then it's automatic. And if you want to colorize it, you can also colorize it like that, red, blue, different color. And if you select this one, then your icon will be black and white. Thumbs up, and if you had a question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.